finally time. This dash. Smoked. No, I'm not replacing it. I'm using a cover from Dashskin, but even already dry fitting this thing, there's no damn way you're going to be able to tell. And for 180 bucks or so, it's awesome. Let's start by getting those screws out. Oh, that's wonderful. Nothing like more pieces down in the vent system. All done. Just kidding. It's only test fitting. But I am quite impressed at how tight this will be and the glue that goes in. Best you'll be able to tell is the airbag here, but everything glues together. This will snap right back in place, and instead of completely disassembling the whole dash, we'll have a good looking dash that's only going to take a half hour to do. Well, it fits pretty damn nice. We've got some things here to apply pressure. Got a couple here to apply pressure on this little line that runs across there. Of course, the rags in the window to hold that lower place in, along with a couple screws. I did that myself. Didn't say to drill those out and put the screws in, but I did. I didn't crank them down because obviously there's not a lot of structure behind those, but I used them just to help tighten it up and secure. I need to get new clips for this guy because they're all broken out. And using a little bit of the old oil, 1540 to add a little weight on top of the dash so it holds there. And again, more rags on this side and rag on this side to help keep it snug in place. Now these are some instructions I can follow. And one day later, looks like we got a brand new dash. So a little touching up and cleaning up to do, but God, I like the way this thing fits. Here we are on the driver's side. Even usually use the cover. Someone else is figuring out the garage door openers. We gotta close those, we got the heat on. 1 week in, I've been super impressed. No rattles, no squeaks, no chirps. Overall, an awesome solution.